day class, welcome to this physics tutorial. Today we are talking on directional derivative. We have two questions here. In directional derivative, you have two ways of finding your u, which your unit vector. If they give you an angle, theta, to find your u is cos theta, comma sin theta. This is how you find your u if they give you an angle. But if they give you a vector, for example, in this case now they gave a vector. If they give you a vector to find your u, it's not also find your unit vector, which is u equals to vector over the magnitude. I see it. I said in directional derivative, to get your u, they always give two types. Either they give an angle or they give a vector. So if they give you an angle to get your u, when they give an angle is cos theta, comma sin theta. Why don't get your u? When they give a vector, it's like get your unit vector. Vector over magnitude. So if you want to get more information on unit vector, I'll drop the link on my bio so you can watch and get more information on unit vectors. So now let's solve this problem now. Find dd. This stands for directional derivative of f of x 4x cubed minus 3x squared in the direction given by the angle theta equals to 60 degrees. And evaluate the directional derivative at point 1 and 2. So first, directional derivative dd. The formula for directional derivative is f of x brackets x y a plus f of y brackets x y b. We go. Directional derivative is f of x brackets x y a plus f of y brackets x y b. Why? This is our question. The function have just two components, x and y. That's why we stop here. But this number 2 has x, y, and z. So we can continue plus f of z, x, y, z, c. Okay. This thing means we'll find first what is our f of x, y? F of x, comma y equals to 4x cubed minus 3x y squared. This is our f of x, comma y. Now, to find our directional derivative, we need to find our u first. What's our u? Our unit vector. In this case, they gave an angle. I said earlier, if they give an angle, you take the unit vector u equals to a, comma b, which is equals to cos theta, comma sin theta. So, cos theta is what? Cos 60, which is root 3. Sorry, cos 60, which is 1 over 2, comma sin 60, which is root 3 over 2. So this is our u. Our u is 1 over 2, comma root 3 over 2. So a is 1 over 2, b is root 3 over 2. Now you can find our directional derivative. So finally, this is our directional derivative dd. F of x bracket x comma y means we find the partial derivative of this function with respect to only x. That was f of x means find the partial derivative of this function with respect to only x. So for this function, now find the derivative of this function with respect to only x. Or any function first, f of x brackets 4x cubed minus 3xy squared a plus f of y brackets 4x cubed minus 3xy squared b. Now, to find the partial derivative of this function with respect to x, so the directional derivative dd now equals to differentiate only x in this function. That's what f of x means. Only x. If you take x here, what do we have? We have 12x squared minus 15x here. Differentiate x here is 1. What is the remaining? 3y squared. 3y squared. Brackets. What is our a? Our a is this first one. Forget a, comma b. So our a is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus f of y is 30. Differentiate only y in this function. Is there y here? No. So get 0 minus. Is there y here? Yes. Choosing y is 2y. That is 3x bracket 2y. What is our b? Root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Now we continue. Directional derivative now equals to 12x squared minus 3y squared all over 2. X 1 over 2 plus 0 minus this 2 times 3x, that is 6x squared. 0 minus 6xy, so is minus 6xy root 3 over 2. We are going small. Okay. We have this. Now directional derivative dv equals to 12x squared minus 3y squared all over 2. Those times minus 6xy bracket root 3 all over 2. Find the LCM. Yeah, the LCM is what? 2. Let's say it's 2. This is 12x squared minus 3y squared minus 6xy root 3. This is the final answer. The directional derivative is very easy. We have to calm down. First step, find your u, which is the unit vector. The unit vector, if they give you an angle, formula for u is cos theta, sin theta. That is what angle is given. But if they give you, no, let me not rush it. If they give you an angle, formula for u is cos theta, sin theta. Find our u first. Our u give us 1 over 2 and 3 over 2. And don't forget, that 1 over 2 and 3 over 2 is a and b. So 1 over 2 is a, so 3 over 2 is b. Formula for directional derivative is f of x then your function a plus f of y, your function b. Going like that. F of x means differentiate with respect to only x. That's what f of x means. Differentiate with respect to only x. F of y, differentiate with respect to only y. That's what it means. How to be there? We put our a, we open the brackets, found LCM, and we got this as a final answer. Now that is find the directional derivative of the function f x y z. So we have f x comma y z equals to 3x y minus 2x z squared. This is f of x y comma z. In the direction of here they give a unit vector. Let's take the vector first. V equals to 2i minus 3j plus 6k. When the vector is given, to find your u is very easy. If I give a vector, find your u is vector equals to u equals to the direction of the vector all over amount of the vector. Let's like find your unit vector. Direction of vector over amount of the vector. Direction of vector is 2i minus 3j plus 6k. This is the direction of vector. Same thing as the question. Why the magnitude of the vector is square root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 6 square. If you want this, you have 2i minus 3j plus 6k all over. This is, so we have this to be 7 square root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 6 square is 7. Our unit vector now equals to 2 over 7 I minus 3 over 7 j plus 6 over 7 k. This is our unit vector. Our u. Why? Because in this case it gave us a vector. In that case it gave us an angle. Be careful while you're solving. That's the two cases you have the directional derivative. Either they gave you x and x. So this is our unit vector. So from this I can say A equals to 2 over 7, comma, B equals to minus 3 over 7, comma, and C equals to 6 over 7. The aim of finding your U is to get to A, B, and C. So that case, just X and Y, so you want to give A and B. For this case, I have X, Y, and Z, so you found A, B, and C. So that is it. So now, to find out the directional derivative, DD equals to f of x comma y, and z, A plus f of y, x comma y, z, b plus f of z, x comma y, z, c. This has A, B, and C because it has 3 components. So now, our directional derivative now equals to f of x, which is a function of A, which is 3x, which is 3x y cubed minus 2xz squared A plus f of y equals to 3x y cubed minus 2xz squared b plus f of z brackets 3x y cubed minus 2xz squared c sharp. So now our directional derivative now dd equals to, we find the directional derivative of x for this function only respect to x, so shift only respect to x. So for this function now, what do we have? We have 3y cubed minus 2z squared bracket a is what? 2 over 7. We are going plus f of y, differentiate respect to only y. So guys, this 3 will not come down. So that will be 3y squared. So 3 times 3, 9. So that is bracket 9xy squared minus, is there y here? No y. So almost here is 0. There's no y here in this part. So here is minus 0. B is what? Minus 3 over 7 plus with respect to z, f of z. What is the derivative with respect to z? Z is there? No. This is 0 minus 2xz squared. But 2xz squared is 2z. So 2 times 2 is not 4. So we have 4xz. C is what? 6 over 7. This is our C. So now we can differentiate this, we can simplify it more. So dd now equals to 3y cubed minus 2z squared 2 over 7 plus 9xy squared minus 3 over 7 plus minus 4xz over 7, 6. LCM is what? 7. We have, put this, we have, open the bracket, 2 times 3y cubed, that is 6y cubed minus 4z squared plus minus 3 times this, that is minus 27xy squared plus 6 times 4 minus 24xz. Directional derivative now dt equals to 7. We have 6y cubed minus 4z squared minus 27xy squared minus 24xz. These are directional derivatives. So So that's the exercise for directional derivative. You find your u first, depending whether there's an angle that was given. There's an angle that was given, your u cos theta minus sin theta, but if it's a vector that was given, your u will be like, sorry for you, it's vector over the magnitude. After that, you learn your formula for differentiation, for directional derivative. You apply it and you get your final answer. Thank you.